Hi, this is Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing a new kit from Natalie at LineDotArrow. I will put the information below for the kit. It's in her Etsy. It's a fabulous kit. It's a tall, skinny kit, and it really is such a versatile kit. I had just finished a tall, skinny journal, so I did think, what else can I do? Or can I do anything else with the kit? But as I said, it's so versatile. There is so much you can do with it. So I have done something slightly different. Now, I've done file folders before in the past, so I didn't want to just do a normal file folder or a normal journal. But I did think about it and thought, what do I struggle with when I'm working on a project? And most of the time, it's keeping all of the ephemera and bits and pieces together. So I thought I would do an altered file folder that could be used as a project pack, if you like. So something that you would keep and use during your project. So that's what I decided to do. So this is it. Now, I haven't decided on the closure for it yet. I may put some elastic around that with a button to just keep that together. But I have had a play. And as I said, the kit is absolutely beautiful. So please do have a look. As I said, I'll put the information below. Please do pop in and have a look at Natalie's shop. And that is LineDotArrow. And Natalie also has a Facebook group. LineDotArrow Facebook group, so there will be other creators who will be showcasing her kits in very different ways, I would have thought. What I loved about the kit is that it's really versatile. You've got some very well, I'll let the kit talk for itself, and I'll take you through it, but as I said, absolutely hugely versatile. So this is the first page. All I've done here to kind of add to it is I've put some brads in, I've put some faux washi tape. These are pieces from the kit that I've just cut out and popped in here just to make it a little bit interesting. The side here I've got an elastic that is connected with eyelets, and I'll show you the inside of that. But I'll also go through the back. See, the back is completely different. So we've got this very floral image on the front, and then the back we go to a very kind of reminds me of like a Sherlock Holmesy type era. And what I've done on the back is I have just used some of the kit pages and some of the ephemera to create a side pocket. Again, some faux washi, and I've just created this little booklet here that I've got some gold liner, some embellishing. One of the tags from the kit is just put on the front here, and this just gives you a little space there for keeping any bits and pieces. So really simple but really beautiful papers to work with. Okay, so turn it over first of all. I gotta say, I do love, now I'm starting to get lace flips and stuff in my journals. So I decided to do a lace flip on this page because it's quite big. So I just had a wide piece of lace that I used as a flip, and underneath that you've got a load of scrap papers that you can pull out and use for your journals, and that is just easily replaced. So lots of hidden bits and pieces there. Then we've got another page from the kit. Oh, it's a flower. Another page from the kit here. One of the kit pockets. I printed this on like a linen paper, cream linen paper, and the texture is really lovely. And there's a load of postcards that come with the kit. This is just a tag that I created and put one of the smaller tags from the kit on it, and just some little, like a organza-y type ribbon. And then we flip out this way here, and here we've gone for the yellows and like a vintagey yellow colour. I've made 3 of the tags from the kit, but again, plenty of room to pop whatever you want in there, and there's also a side little pocket there. These are some of the tags from the kits. This one here, I've just attached this smaller tag onto a larger tag, and that gives us a belly band. I've attached a smaller tag onto a larger tag to give us a text spot, and this one I just didn't want to cover because it was just so beautiful. And as I said, I put some organza ribbon in each of those, but you could keep whatever you need to in these pockets. And then on this side here, again, we've got 3 pockets. We've got a pocket here with some postcards in. We've got another pocket here and another pocket here to keep little small pieces of ephemera. Here I've just used 3 of the cards, tags rather, from the kit, and I've just attached those together, just popping them in there. Okay, then we flip it open again. This one here, we've just got a pocket from the kit. And what I wanted to do with this one, which I haven't done yet, is just grab a paper clip. Might not even grab a paper clip, I might grab one of these. And what I wanted to use this space for was literally just attaching. I'll be careful I don't go through there now. It's just using this as like a space, a paper clip. So you've got space where you can just clip things into here, and a little pocket just for some added room there. So with this one here, you look at it clipping any papers or anything that you're working on that you want to just keep to one side. Then I've just put in here in the centre just a normal book, dot grid thingy-bob, and I've just decorated that with some of the pieces from the kit, some different colour cards, some fabric tape here, and I thought this is a perfect place to keep your project notes. I don't know why this is sticky, unless the glue's gone through, which probably is what's happened. Yeah, the glue's gone through there. So all your project notes, your drawings, your ideas, just keeping them all in your project pack. Then we've got a vellum envelope here where you can just keep some bits and pieces of ephemera. We then flip over here again. We've got a large text spot here. I've just used some coffee dyed vellum here for a little pocket for pieces of ephemera. I've done the same over here. I've done 3 little vellum pockets for your ephemera that you're using throughout your project. And as I said, there's just a larger envelope pocket there. Then we flip it over again. And what we've got here is we have got this page, I absolutely adore this page, beautiful, beautiful page. Another one of the pockets from the kit with some of the embellishments. And then this comes with the kit as well, which I think is absolutely fabulous. It's like a little folio. I've put a little pocket, again, from the kit on the back of this, and I've used loads of faux washi tape. The image itself is on the kit, so I didn't have to use any of Tim Holt's people. But absolutely beautiful. And then the inside is this gorgeous kind of red, deep red, winey colour. So I've put this together as like a little bit of a folio. We've got a little pocket here with some little tags from the kit, which are absolutely fabulous. I have just put a little bit of embellishing from the kit, and then I've just done a little notebook, which you literally can pull out here and replace. So perhaps a little notebook on the go while when you get those ideas for your projects, you want something to write them into. So that can be taken away and used for that. And then over here, lastly, I have got this paper bag pocket. So it's been put in such a way that you've got a tuck spot behind for lots of storage of paper. You've got a paper bag here, pocket, lots and lots of goodies in there, and we've just fully embellished that. So that is it. As you can see, excuse me, the kit, as I said, is so versatile. I love that you can see through the images here, but it really is such a versatile kit. You can use it in whatever way that you want, so don't be put off by the tall skinny, because you literally can just, as I said, use it for whatever you want to use it for. I've done a kind of altered file folder project kind of pack or project tool, and I really did have fun. It's the end of the month now, so I do apologise, Natalie. It's been a busy month, but I have loved playing with this. And yeah, I really love how it's come out. So go and check the kit out. As I said, I'll put a link below. Make sure to check it out. It is really a beautiful kit. So many possibilities, and a huge thank you to Natalie for asking me to get involved in this design team project. I will leave it there. I hope you have enjoyed. Until next time, as always, stay safe and be well, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, bye for now.